to this tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to add the Apple Touch icon on your Shopify website. So my client reached out to me and he asked me to do this. And the only way of doing this is to apply custom code on your Shopify theme. So I'll be showing you step-by-step process in achieving this. So the first thing you have to do, you need to log into your Shopify store. So you log into your Shopify store either by maybe the client gave you access or your own Shopify store. So once you are here, you will head over to the content. So here is the content. So what we want to make sure that we uploaded the icon that we want to add. So you just come to the files. So I already uploaded my favicon icon that I want to use as my Apple Touch icon. So it's already here. So if you don't have that, you can just come here and upload it, and it's going to take you to your files directly. But I already have it, so I won't be doing that. Okay, so once you are there, what you want to do, you want to copy the link. So before copy it, I'll show you where you're going to paste the link first. Before you copy it, there's one thing you need to do first. So okay, so you go back to the home and click on the online store because we want to edit the theme file. Okay, so once you're here, you head over to this. You see these three dots close to the customize button. So you click on it and you see the edit code. You click on the edit code. Okay, so once you are here, you don't want to play with all of this. You don't want to mess things up. So the only file we're editing here is the theme.liquid. So you click on it and you see the layout slash theme.liquid. So we want to paste this code on the head section of our HTML. Okay, so what you do, you just come here. As you can see, I already have the code. So this is the code I want to use because I already implemented it before. So I'm just doing a video, but I want to update some things. So what I'll do, okay, so this is just the code that you need. This is the code, and this one is the file, or is the favicon file that you are going to copy. Okay, so let's go back and go and copy it. Okay, so you just click on exit. I want to go back to contents, files. Okay, so here is the the favicon. So you want to copy this link here. You copy it and go back to your theme.liquid file. And what you want to do here, you want to just come over here and I want to update this. So I'm just going to highlight this and paste in my code. So here is the latest code for my Apple Touch icon. So for those of you that don't have that, so this is the code you use. Link, the relation is the Apple Touch icon. So this is the IPO size, default IPO size, the recommended IPO size, which is 180 by 180. Then the reference will go to the icon that you just, the link we just copied. So you can see the resolution, and it's the recommended resolution 124, 124, Okay, so once you're done pasting your code, you want to confirm if you inputted the right file. So once that is confirmed, you just click on the save button here. So you click on the save. Okay, so that is done. So the next thing you do, you go back, then you come to the customize button, click on customize. So what I want to do now, I want to also change the favicon icon. So once you are here, you see this settings icon, theme setting. So just click on it. So we head over to the logo section. So under the logo section, we can see the favicon. So you can see favicon image. You can see this one is blurry and I don't like it. I want to change it. So just click on change, select from library. This is the latest one I just did, which is 1024. So I want to use this one. I'll just click on it and I'll click on done. So you can see now the image is sharp and it's looking good. So what we'll do here, we'll just come over here and at the top right corner, you see the save button. You just want to click on it, click on save, and it's all done. So guys, that is how you can, change the Apple Touch icon or add an Apple Touch icon to your Shopify website. If this video helped you, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel so that whenever I drop update like this, you won't miss it because this update is live and I'm working with a client now. So I just decided to record this video so I can share it to people that maybe they're facing this kind of issue on their Shopify website and they want to implement something like this. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.